Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So I got a really cool video for you here today. This is going to talk to you about how to make $36.50 per hour. And all you have to do is just surf on Google. And it's for beginners, it's for newbies, and we're going to do it like a total boss. So if you've come to my channel or my videos, you know that I'm all about creating that total boss lifestyle, being able to do the fun things that you want in life, and not be tied down to some job that you don't want to be at. Okay, we can do that on the internet. And right here, I'm going to show you how you can get up and get running. Now, before we continue though, make sure you hit that bell option or the subscribe button right there and that bell option. That way you get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. Also, click on that link below this video. I'm going to give you my #1 recommendation to how you can scale up your income to, big time income, so you don't so now you can really start living that total boss lifestyle. All right, so let's jump right into this. So what we're going to do is we're going to go to a website called LeapForce. Okay, LeapForce is a website that you can go and become an agent. And what you're going to be doing is you're going to be surfing around Google, and you're going to be just looking at different sites on Google, and you're going to just see how the search results are working out, and you're going to give feedback because companies want to know how the search results are working, how websites are set up, how, if they type in something, how it looks. And there's really not a lot of requirement to do this. The only thing you're really going to need is just just a computer and your ability to surf around. So if we look at the website here, the LeapForce, it talks about the overview of what you're going to get, setting your own hours. There's the requirements of this is you have to be 18. Okay. You need to have a high-speed internet access. Hopefully you're watching this on a, maybe a cable modem. You need to have a personal computer, and you need to have Google's free Chrome web browser set up. So if you don't have the Chrome browser set up, then you just go to Google and you can download that for free, okay? You also have to have up-to-date antivirus spyware on your computer. That way, if you're using a Windows, then you want to make sure those you don't want to have viruses on your computer when you're doing this. Now, the skills that you just need to have some skills, some surfing skills. You just need to have some, written communication skills, being able to write a little bit, because you're going to have to get some feedback on this, and you're going to have to give your kind of what your experience is online. Companies are going to take this data, and then they're going to change search results. They're going to change websites based on the information that you give them. So the better information you give them, then it's going to be better for them to get, it's going to be, the information is going to be better for them to make a better decision on how to make things, how to change things. So if we look at the reviews on this, so right here you can make anywhere from, like 13, they got $12 here as SEO specials, all the way up to Data Evaluator. And Data Evaluator is going to be where the most money is going to be made. That's going to be, you're going to have to do a little bit more as far as getting into some of the other websites. SEO Specialist, I believe, is going to be just looking at the search engine results from Google. But, if you've used Google before and you've searched around, this is all you're going to be doing. You're just going to give them feedback to different companies. Now, when you understand about search results, you understand that there's people from all over the world, and there's people from different countries and different languages. In fact, why don't you comment below? Let me know where you're from. That way, we can talk about maybe how this is going to help you in your country. But what happens is the companies want to know somebody who is in, let's say, a Spanish-speaking country. What does their research results look like? Or if somebody's in a Italian-speaking country, what do their search results look like? And so that's the kind of data that you're going to be giving back. So it doesn't really matter where you're at in the world. You can pretty much do this. As long as you have those requirements as far as computer and you have Chrome set up. So all you're going to be doing is you just have to. There's a question, answering questions here. It just talks about this is work from home. This is totally. You can do this anywhere you want. If you have a laptop, you can take your laptop with you and you can work on this. You're just going to have to spend the time to do this work, and then you get paid, upwards of $36 per hour. To become an agent, all you're going to be doing is just going to become an agent. You're going to have to fill out kind of an application. You're gonna have to take a little questionnaire because they want to make sure that want to make sure that you know what you're doing and you have all the requirements set up before they allow you to get in there. And once you get in there, then you can start surfing around. You can start going to Google and you can start giving your feedback on really how your experience was. That's all you're going to be doing. So you're surfing around, giving your experience, and that's how you're going to be making the money. Okay. And then once you become an agent, then there's a login right here. You log in and they'll tell you what to do, and they're going to pay you out. They're going to pay you out every 30 days, which is cool. Okay. So every month you're going to get a paycheck from them for this. And what's cool about this is, you can do this at home. You don't have to travel anywhere. You don't have to, drive in your car anywhere like a normal job. This is something that you can do totally at home. And if it's, if you're starting to make really good money, you might get to the point where this is going to make way more money than what your job is. All right. So what you want to do is head over to Google and then type in Leap Force, and you'll see the link to this information here, and it'll talk about becoming an agent. All right. So that's it. That's how you get up, and that's how you can get going online, surfing around, making $36 a month every month. All right. Hey, if you like this video, like it, share it with your friends, comment below. Let me know where you're from. Let me know how I can help you online. Also, click on the link below this video. That is my #1 recommendation for earning income online and how you can get up and get going quickly. All right. So this is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that, and we'll see you on the next one.